Hello, and welcome to the Learn Korean Now. Today, we've prepared a 5-minute lesson for beginner learners. In this lesson, you will learn some basic everyday conversations and expressions.
The first expression is 안녕하세요, which means hello in Korean. Next we have 잘 지내시죠, which is similar to how are you in English. It's used to ask about someone's well-being. Moving on, let's learn 감사합니다, which means thank you in Korean. It's used to express gratitude. Lastly, we'll learn 안녕히 가세요, which means goodbye in Korean. It's used to bid farewell when someone is leaving. So in this lesson we learned how to say 안녕하세요, 잘 지내시죠, 감사합니다, and 안녕히 가세요.
We hope you found this lesson helpful, and we'll try our best to bring you more useful expressions in our next video. Thank you.